Learn English to Gujarati. Imply, hint, suspect and
સૂચવવું.
fun. Welcome, detective ears. Hey, you are about to learn some very clever words in English and Gujarati. Today you will sound like a detective, a gossip columnist, and a philosopher who lost their glasses. Our mission is simple. Learn 8 useful words. In English, they are imply, to insinuate, suggest, hint, to presume, suspect, to ascertain, and infer. In Gujarati, you will meet
સૂચવવું. ઇશારો કરવો. સંકેત કરવો. અનુમાન કરવું. શંકા કરવી.
and for to ascertain.
કોસ્ટટેરન.
Yes, one of them looks like it arrived by train from another language and forgot to leave. We respect its confidence. Your word team. Let's meet the cast before they start causing misunderstandings at a dinner party. Listen once, then repeat out loud. Imply is
સૂચવવું.
if someone does not say it directly, but their face, tone, or silence points to it, they.
સૂચવવું.
To insinuate is.
ઇશારો કરવો.
This often feels sneaky, like saying, I am not accusing you, but your cookie crumbs are very interesting. Suggest is also.
સૂચવવું.
This one is often friendly and practical. I suggest tea, snacks, and fewer bad ideas. Hint is.
સંકેત કરવો.
A hint is a little signal, not a giant marching band with fireworks. To presume is.
અનુમાન કરવું.
You think something is probably true, often from clues. Suspect is.
શંકા કરવી.
This has more doubt and suspicion. Your inner detective wakes up and narrows its eyes. To ascertain is.
કોસ્ટટેરન.
This means to establish or find out for sure. Infer is.
અનુમાન કરવું.
You infer when you reach a conclusion from evidence. A very suspicious breakfast. Now let's put the words into one funny story. Your job is to enjoy it and notice how each word works. You walk into the kitchen and discover a tragedy. The cookie jar is empty. Your brother says nothing, but the crumbs on his shirt.
સૂચવવું.
Guilt. Your sister does not accuse him directly, but she starts to.
ઇશારો કરવો.
That someone with excellent chewing skills may be responsible. Grandma calmly.
સૂચવવું.
Making more cookies because she believes peace is important and biscuits are more important. Meanwhile, the dog keeps looking at the broken lid as if to.
સંકેત કરવો.
The location of the criminal mastermind. From the crumbs, the open cupboard, and the guilty silence, you.
અનુમાન કરવું.
That the theft happened 5 minutes ago. You also.
શંકા કરવી.
That your brother acted alone. But before anyone blames the goldfish, you decide to.
કોસ્ટટેરન.
The facts. After careful investigation, you.
અનુમાન કરવું.
The final truth. Everyone ate the cookies, including you. A shocking twist. A delicious twist. Tiny meaning differences. These words are cousins, not twins. Let's keep them from borrowing each other's clothes. Imply.
સૂચવવું.
Is indirect. Example. His tone seemed to.
સૂચવવું.
A hidden warning. Suggest, also.
સૂચવવું.
Is often more neutral or helpful. Example. I.
સૂચવવું.
A better plan. To insinuate.
ઇશારો કરવો.
Often feels sly or negative. Example. Are you trying to.
ઇશારો કરવો.
That this was my fault? Hint.
સંકેત કરવો.
Is a small clue. Example. The dark clouds.
સંકેત કરવો.
Rain. To presume.
અનુમાન કરવું.
Means to assume from clues or likelihood. Example. Do not.
અનુમાન કરવું.
Without enough evidence. Suspect.
શંકા કરવી.
Carries doubt or mistrust. Example. I.
શંકા કરવી.
A mistake in the report. To ascertain.
કોસ્ટટેરન.
Means to verify or determine clearly. Example. We need to.
કોસ્ટટેરન.
The facts first. Infer.
અનુમાન કરવું.
Means to draw a conclusion from evidence. Example. We can.
અનુમાન કરવું.
The answer from the evidence. Mini dialogue circus. Time for quick dialogues. They are short, useful, and slightly dramatic because ordinary people in language lessons are never calm. A. Did she say she was upset? B. No, but her silence seemed to.
સૂચવવું.
It. A. Did he accuse me? B. Not exactly. He started to.
ઇશારો કરવો.
It. A. What should we do now? B. I.
સૂચવવું.
Taking the train and carrying snacks. A. Tell me the answer. B. No, but I can.
સંકેત કરવો.
At it. A. Why is the ground wet? B. I.
અનુમાન કરવું.
That it rained earlier. A. Do you trust this story? B. I.
શંકા કરવી.
Something is missing. A. Did you verify the cause? B. Yes, we could.
કોસ્ટટ્યરન.
It at last. A. The lights are off and the shop is empty. B. So we.
અનુમાન કરવું.
That it is closed. Repeat like a brave parrot. Now repeat after me. If you sound dramatic, excellent. Drama helps memory. Imply.
સૂચવવું.
To insinuate.
ઇશારો કરવો.
Suggest.
સૂચવવું.
Hint.
સંકેત કરવો.
To presume.
અનુમાન કરવું.
Suspect.
શંકા કરવી.
To ascertain.
કોસ્ટટ્યરન.
Infer.
અનુમાન કરવું.
Quick quiz, no panic. You are doing great. Now let's see if your brain was awake the whole time or just politely nodding. Question 1. What Gujarati word means imply? Answer.
સૂચવવું.
Question 2. What Gujarati phrase means to insinuate? Answer.
ઇશારો કરવો.
Question 3. What Gujarati phrase means hint? Answer.
સંકેત કરવો.
Question 4. What Gujarati phrase means to presume? Answer.
અનુમાન કરવું.
Question 5. What Gujarati phrase means suspect? Answer.
શંકા કરવી.
Question 6. What target word means to ascertain? Answer.
કોસ્ટટ્યરન.
Question 7. What Gujarati phrase means infer? Answer.
અનુમાન કરવું.
Question 8. Which Gujarati word can mean both imply and suggest in this lesson? Answer.
સૂચવવું.
Your final challenge. Last round. I will give you a situation, and you choose the best word in your head. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure. Very stylish pressure. Someone raises one eyebrow and says, interesting excuse. They probably.
સૂચવવું.
Doubt. A person slyly talks around an accusation. That is.
ઇશારો કરવો.
You politely offer an idea for dinner. That is.
સૂચવવું.
You tap the table and whisper a tiny clue. That is.
સંકેત કરવો.
You see wet umbrellas and think rain probably started. That is.
અનુમાન કરવું.
You see your friend hiding behind the fridge with chocolate on their face. You.
શંકા કરવી.
Them immediately. You check every fact carefully before speaking. You.
કોસ્ટટ્યરન.
The truth. You look at evidence and draw a conclusion. You.
અનુમાન કરવું.
The answer. Thanks and keep going. Nice work. You just learned a whole cluster of smart, subtle words, and your detective brain deserves a snack. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these words out loud.
સૂચવવું. ઇશારો કરવો. સંકેત કરવો. અનુમાન કરવું. શંકા કરવી.
And.
કોસ્ટટ્યરન.
Repeat them tomorrow, use them in tiny sentences, and do not worry if they feel tricky at first. You are building real English and Gujarati understanding, one clue at a time. See you next time, and keep practicing.